Hey guys, it's John, and in this video I'm going to finish my easy exercises on object-oriented programming, and then I'll find different exercises and I'll record these ones also. But let's solve the and 10 or maybe 15 exercise with you guys. Let's go. Okay, let's start with this 8th exercise actually. So the question is, create a class called date that includes three pieces of information as instance variables: a month, a day, and a year. Your class should have a constructor that initializes the three instance variables and assumes that the values provided are correct. Provide a set and get method for each instance variable. Provide a method display date that displays the month, day, and year separated forward slashes. Write a test application name, date test that demonstrates class date capability. Okay, let's go. Let's create a new package. Then the name will be exercise 8. Then create a class which is main. Also create a class which is date that they want. So this class have three private properties. One is also every one of them is going to be int. Then let's create a constructor. Okay, cool. So let's add some checks, some controls if the variables, or like if they assumes that, I mean, if the values provided are correct, let's create. So the day should be less than 31 and they should be greater than 1. Let's do that simple check first. Then the month also should be less than 12, less or equals, and it should be greater than 1 or equal. Then the year doesn't matter what it should be actually. For the memory issues, it should be, I think, 1097 too or something. It was something like this, 70, but let me create more than 1980. Okay, then I think in my opinion, in February there are 28 days, but I'm not gonna add that control here. Maybe we can create another if month equals to 2, then the day should be this. Yeah, let me add this here. I was thinking that if I don't add, is it a problem? But month equals 2, the day, we create a parenthesis. Yeah, like this. It will be perfect, I guess so. If month equals to 2, day should be equal less than or less or equals than 28. Some years is 29, but we gotta spend some time on the controls of that. I'm just thinking, what can I do more? And let's add another condition on year. Let's make this year less than 2024, or maybe 2099. More makes sense. Actually, I gotta add something like this. They should be less than 28. Then let's take this out. Okay, I'll add some if statements, because this gotta be different, not in this if. Let's create something like this and put this if statement here. Okay, that will be the way. Then I'll add this one like this. Cool. And greater than 1, less or equal, greater or equals. In other case, this should be like this. Cool. Okay, here another check. Okay, let's make this check. Actually, it's better if it's here, but let's make this check before everything. Let's add a control here, day, and this one will be month. Cool. Then year. Okay, let's put year should greater than 1980 and less than 299. Okay, this is going to be the constructor. So let's create some getter and setter methods. Not gonna do public get year. I don't like them to be public. Then let's do the set. Cool. Let's delete the public ones, and let's add the checks in here. So we can make this check in another class. Then maybe like an exception class, and we can add these exceptions here. Throws wrong day exception. Let's make that one. Actually, I remember we have done that before, but I think I add the package in the wrong place. I gotta use the junior to senior in Java. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, so what I say, I'll create an exception class here. I think I remember, yeah, these exceptions. So we can create an exception class like this. Then we can check some things here. Okay, I'll create some kind of exceptions, and it's gonna extend the exception class. This is the inheritance also in object-oriented programming, let's create another exception class here and say wrong day exception. Then it will extend the exception class. The wrong day exception will take integer day. Then let's delete this, care this one. So let's add the day control here. I think it's better to add like this. And let's add the month also. It's better to add both. So day, actually I'm not gonna do anything here, but I'll add this. Then the same thing here, this. That way I'll be making the day condition the opposite way, you know, like the if it's true it's going to turn false. I mean, it's going to check is it false or not. If it's false, it's gonna throws this error. So let's use the wrong day exception here, throws wrong day exception, and throw the exception here, wrong day, and let's send the day and month. Okay, throw new. I gotta use like throw new. Then it's also the same here, but I'm making the checks on double. I don't have to use, yeah, let's use it like this, because I don't have to do double control in the throwing exceptions. If month is equals to 2 days, it should be less than equal or something. No, I don't need the day input. The important part is the month, because I'm making the checks, the controls here. Cool. Let's create another exception class, wrong month class exception. Then it will extend the exception on pure Java class, then wrong month exception. Then the month exception will look something like this. Do I need the month? No, directly write the wrong month exception. So I'll add this wrong month exception here, then throw new actually wrong month exception. Cool. Then the last one will be the year. Yeah, create here. Create the constructor for exception. Copy this. Let's add it here. Let's go. In this case, we're gonna create the set day, set month, and set year also. We're gonna check those ones. So set month, let's make the set month first. Doesn't throws the wrong month section class. Let's add this one. Let's do the year. Then the end will be today. The good part, I don't need to double check this month. I'm just gonna use this month. Okay, I'm gonna check the instances of month. Cool, that's what I want. Gotta send the month here also. Yeah, that's all the class. Okay, so what it wants, provide a method display that date that displays the methods. Okay, it's great. It's going to return a string display date. Then I think it can return a void. In that case, I can just write it like this dot day. Actually, if I use day, I'm not pretty sure, but month, and here I think I should write this dot here. Gotta take the instances, the variables of instance, you know. Create a new PS7, then create a new date class. Let's see, let's write my date, and it's going to be new date. So I'll put 3 input, okay, 14, 6, and 15. Okay, let's see what's happening. Oh, we are gonna use the wrong month. Okay, the exceptions also, we gotta throw the exceptions at here too. So let's see what's going on. Actually, I'm not gonna use it like this. I'm just gonna use it like display date. Let's see if it works. But if I make the day 35, does it still work? No, day should be less or equals than 31. Okay, cool. If I make 30, but the month will be 2. Okay, it checks. Yeah, day should be less or equals than 28. Yeah, it checks the month thing also. Okay, let's make it 25. Then this will be 1970. Year should be less than. That's perfect. It works really cool. Let's go to another one. Interestingly, this one takes 20 minutes for me. I gotta solve fast. But I'm just trying to add everything I learned, you know. So create a class savings account. You use a static variable annual interest rate to store the annual interest rate for all account holders. Each object of the class contains a private instance variable savings balance indicating the amount of the saver currently has on deposit. Provide method calculate monthly interest to calculate the monthly interest by multiplying savings balance divided by 12. This interest should be added to saving. Provide a statement modify interest rate that sets the annual interest rate to a new value. Okay, write a program to test class savings account instantiate to saving accounts object saver 1 and saver 2. Wow, there's balances of $2,000, reset interest rate for. Cool. I think we can do it, but we gotta, divide, like split all the questions, all the lines. Let's create a new exercise, a new package. called exercise. There's gonna be a class main, of course. We don't need the main now. Let's create a new class. Savings account. Cool. There's gonna be a static variable. This will be integer, I think, because I'm not pretty sure, but maybe it can be byte also, because it will be between 1 to 100, right? Yeah, let's see. Let's create a byte, I think. I mean, I'll use int for this time, but to be more clear, you know. Okay, this will be annual interest rate. So about the static properties, like the static variables. This static variable doesn't affect the instance, you know. Of course, it's about the savings account, like the savings account object, but it's not about the instance of savings account. It's always the same. No one can change this outside of the class anymore with static. I think this static words means that. So this is going to be annual interest rate for all account holders. Then we can just, I'm gonna check that on constructors. Each object of the class contains a private instance variable. Okay, let's make this actually we don't have to do the annual interest rate. Let's reach it from anywhere, but I don't want to reach it from anywhere. Let's reach it from in the class. Okay, I'm gonna take this private in the purse. Okay, private int savings balance. Saver currently has on deposit. Okay. Provide method calculate monthly interest. Okay, let's calculate the monthly interest by multiplying the savings balance by annual interest rate, divide by 12. Yeah, let's use this and this. I don't need to use in the static ones this thing. Yeah, why I don't use? Because this is a static keyword, and static means it's not about the instance of the class account, the class. It's about the object. I mean, it's all about the class. Perfect. So we create the last method also, this calculate monthly interest. Then then this interest should be added to saving balance. The method that returns from this should be added to saving balance, but I'll do that later. Okay, I'll do that in the main class because it's make more sense. Maybe we can just create a set method to set savings balance, and yeah, this is that savings balance in new balance, then new balance. Yeah, it will be better like this. So it says provide a static method modify interest date. So I'll just delete this public thing. The void modify interest rate. The new interest, actually you can just write interest rate. Then that sets the annual interest to a new value. Okay, annual interest rate to new interest rate. This will be the thing. So I'm not using this keyword. Actually, you're realizing it, because this keyword should be used for the instance of this class, and this is a static method. We can use this keyword here because this is a static method. Okay, write a program to test the class. Cool. Let's go back. Actually, we can. I mean, I'm not gonna use the user constructor here. Maybe I can. I mean, I gotta use the constructor, but I'm not gonna use. I'm just gonna try different things. Like, I'm gonna try the set savings balance. Okay, I already did that. Perfect. I don't have to do anything here because we already have the set methods. Let's take the get method also. Okay, let me make this method without private. Then let's use the get saving balance, then the get annual interest rate from here. Not gonna use it as public. So let's go to the main class, then test this one. I'm gonna create public static void main. Then instantiate two saving accounts objects. Saving account 1. Actually write account 1 new saving account. Then the account 2 will be the new saving account. Saver 1 and Saver 2. Let's change the name. Okay. With balances of $2,000. Okay, let's do the Saver 1's the set saving balance to $2,000. Then the Saver 2 has $3,000 in his account. Set annual interest rate. So saving accounts dot annual annual interest rate will be 4%. Gotta divide by 100. It will be better. Because we are taking the integer number, right? Because it's going to be like 4 divide by 100, then divide by 12 is the better part of it. So then calculate the monthly interest and print the new balances for both savers. Then calculate the monthly interest. Okay, so Saver 1, calculate monthly interest. Perfect. Then it says this interest should be added to saving balance. Okay, new interest. Then Saver 1 set saving balance will be the Saver 1 get saving balance plus new interest. That's the way it is. Let's do the same thing for also Saver 2. Okay, so what is the problem? Forgot to write 1 and 2. Okay, let's print this. Write it. The Saver 1 get saving balance, the last balance, I think. Also the Saver 2 to get saving balance. Okay, then set the annual interest rate. But first I'm gonna try this one, if it works or not, I gotta check. So it doesn't work actually, because it was already 2,000 and 3,000. Let me check what's wrong. Okay, if I put this savings balance for, then this data will be added to get savings balance. Let me check what's going on. Maybe I can put a debugger. Saver 1 has 2,000, Saver 3 has 2,000. Let's go to the next step. Okay, why is my new balance? It's 2,000, still 2,000, it's a problem. Okay, this new balance shouldn't be 2,000 because why is this turning 4? Let me try it. 2,000 times, it's gotta be 6666, and it will return okay, it's returning a 0 point. Why is it returning a 0? That's the problem. It's gonna return something else. I'm just gonna put this one here. Then let me check again. Go there. Problem. Just trying to check, what's going on. Maybe I should use this word here, then this here. Sorry, this can't use this. Get saving balance. This dot saving balance. Maybe no, it's still 0. It's going to turn the same. Shouldn't be 0 actually. Why is it 0? I mean, or maybe I do that thing right. Yeah, we can do it in line variable, but let me try again. Okay, it's turning 0. That's the problem. Why is it turning 0? That's the real problem. Okay, it says provide method to calculate monthly interest by multiplying the saving balance by annual interest rate divided by 12. Oh, I shouldn't use maybe 100 here. Maybe normal thing. Oh, right now it's correct, but it is $666. It's not correct. It should be 6. It should be like this. Okay, let me take this, put it here, then put something like this. Plan. Okay, let me stop this. Try again. Cool, now it works. Okay, I put the divide by hundreds in the wrong place. That's how it works. So let's then calculate the monthly interest and print the new one. Okay, got it. Then set the annual interest rate to 5%. Let's set this annual interest rate to 5. Calculate next month's interest and print the new balances for both savers. Next month's interests. I'm gonna use the same. Okay, it's going to calculate the monthly interest again. Then it will check, I think so. Yep, 2006 to 2012, 3010 and 3020. Perfect. I think it works. I guess so. Let me just check again. You never know. Okay, right now, yep, it comes 6. That's correct. Then constant. That's correct. Okay, we are setting the annual interest to 5. The new interest one is still the same. Why? Oh, I forgot to write it here. Sorry. New interest one will be this. Now, then this is going to be new interest 2. But I think this is a problem because reassign local variable. Let me just try it first. Okay, it changed. It's changing to 8, I think. Yeah, no, 12. For this is 6. For this is 12. Yeah. Yeah, that's actually why. But we shouldn't reassign the local variable. It's not a problem, but you know, yeah, that's the problem. That's the solution. Okay, let's go to the next one. Create a class called book to represent a book. Let me just create a new package first. Exercise 20. Then let me put my main method. A book should include 4 pieces of information as instance variable as a book name. Okay, book. We have a book class. Then there are there are 4 pieces of information. Book name. Actually, ISBN number should be int. I'm not pretty sure, but let me just write ISBN. An author name. This will be of course string. Then a publisher. Yeah, this will be string too. Your class should have a constructor that initializes the for instance variable. Okay, let me create a constructor. Then choose every one of them. Cool. Okay, provide a mutator method and accessor method for each instance variable. Cool. It means we are gonna do a getter and setter methods. Let's go getter and setter for every one of them. That's perfect. It creates public, but let's leave it like this for now. In addition, provide a method name getBookInfo that returns the description of the book. Provide a method name getBookInfo. Let me just create the public and string getBookInfo. Then this will return the description of the book as a string. Okay, do we have a description? Oh, I got it. So it means we are gonna turn like the, what is the name? The name will be, actually we can use a string builder here. Let me just create a string builder object, then new string builder, then this string pend name, then the name will be the book name. So this string builder helps us to actually create better performance if we are using the concatenated string variables, like we are adding something in the end of the string. Yeah, we should use the string builder. It's better for more faster performance. So the next thing will be the ISBN number. Gotta use this keyword, by the way. I'm doing this wrong now. This will be here also. Then go to the author, then author name, then the publisher in the end. So publisher should be can be a class actually, but it's up to you. I'm not gonna create a new class right now. But for object-oriented approach, the better approach, publisher should be a class, and we should use it like, the publisher. It's not gonna be more than one publisher. We don't need to use the generics or something. But publisher should be a class, in my opinion, but I'm just gonna leave it like string. Then this is the getBookInfo. Then let's return the end string, actually the description. Also, let's make it more clear. Book description. Okay, it's turning the string builder. Yeah, let's turn the string builder. Cool. What do we have here? Text of inserts last index to string. Yeah, we can change it to string, this thing, then can use the string here. Yeah, that's better. But it says, I'm not gonna change it to, I think we gotta, I'm not pretty sure if it's a correct solution, but I'll leave it like this, okay? In the end, I'm just gonna change it to string. But it doesn't make sense if, yeah, I'm just gonna take it back, everything. Yeah, it's better now. I think so. So create a subclass. Yeah, you should use this keyword in member methods and construct. Okay, write a test application named book test to create an array of object for 30 elements for class. Wow. Book to demonstrate the class book's capabilities. Create an array of object for 30 elements for class book. Okay, cool. Let's go to the main. Then create PSVM. Then So this will be the array of books. Then new book. Okay, I'm just gonna use it like this. Okay, let's make it 30. Okay, 30 of the objects from class book class is going to be initialized right now. So let's use the for each. It's going to start from 0 until the books.length. Then every books will have a publisher, of course. Then the publisher will be publisher 1. Then this publisher will be, oh yeah, then let's leave it like publish books.ePublisher. Then they will have the book name, of course. Then let's put the book name to upper side. Then of course we are not going to use it like this, we are going to use it like this. Then name, make the ISBN, set ISBN. Then the last one will be the author name. Yep, I think so. Yeah, I gotta leave the ISBN like this. Then when we create the whole objects, we will, like this warning, we have to read, you know, or read but never written to. Yeah, we gotta use it like this, by the way. This is the CC style. Now we gotta read. Let's take the 40 again, and the length of the array will be books.length. Then let's read everything. Get author name, get ISBN, then get the publisher, the end thing, the get book name. But I'll write everything in the system.out. Oh, sorry, we don't need to use this. Actually, we have to use books get the book info. Yeah, that's what we have to use. So let's run. I'm not pretty sure if it works, but let's try. So it says cannot. Okay, this is null pointer exception. I think this is why. Oh, there is a I is null. Put a debugger here, then try. Okay, not here. Also, this problem is here. Try again. Yeah, let's go in. Okay, we have all elements are null. Cool. Let's step over. Then right now, because of the all elements are null, add something in it. We gotta use it like we gotta use the constructor here. So in that case, it means, okay, I'll have a books class of arrays, books arrays of class. So I'll create a new book object here to solve this problem, okay? And I'll put the name, then the publisher, sorry, this is ISBN. Let's take the ISBN also. I'll put the second thing as an ISBN. Then this will be the author name. In that case, I'll delete everything here and put the author name here. So this way, going to be better. Right now is after the book created, we're gonna put the books, the first object of books, we're gonna put that book in that array, you know, after we create this thing. I think it's gonna run. We don't need, oh, it's still not running because the books.length is empty. I don't understand. Let me check. Okay, it's here in I0. Let's step over. Right now, book created, books 1 is null, books length is 30, books I is null. Let's step over. Let's check the books. Okay, we have a book here, book name 0, so everything is good. The problem, I think, let's stop the thing. Not here. The problem is here. Yeah, it's here. As you can see, there are 30 books. Oh, forgot to write 1. Sorry. I was like, funny. Yeah, right now it's going to work. Yeah, absolutely. I can just stop the debugger. Yeah, as you can see, the all things here. Let me just put a space here, every one of them. Let me just, yeah, space will be cool. Yep, right now everything will be from perfectly. Yeah, so these are the 30 object of the book class. Cool, we done that. So the next actually 5 question, no, 3 4 6 7 question. Yeah, that's perfect. Let's go to that once. I actually want to see how I can improve, you know, this class. Maybe we can create another class called author, then another class called publisher, then we just, you know, call these classes in these variables, in that case we can create more readable and improvable code in our program. Yeah, I think, yeah, this will be the best. And also, I mean, we don't have to set the author name after that case, you know, in the book class. We gotta use it on the author class also. Absolutely, also the same in the publisher. There are so many methods here, and we can use get book info to take all the info from there, from those classes. So I'm not pretty sure about string builder usage at here, because yeah, I'm pretty sure this is how it is, because it didn't say anything when I'm using the string builder here. I think the print line um, accept the string builder in it. Yeah, that's cool. Let's go. So so there's some like 5, yeah, perfect. There are 5 questions in one question. Okay, let's go. Create a superclass called car. Then the car class has the following fields and methods: in speed, double, regular price, then regular price, then color, then the double get sale price. I don't want someone to change the color or regular price or the speed here, and this will be the double method, so that will return something. Okay, let's just like 0.0. Create a subclass of car class and name it as truck. Truck will be a car also. I think I smell some inheritance. The truck class has the following fields and methods. This will have the weight, double get sale price. This is the same thing actually. Okay, I'll check that one off later, because if it says if weight is greater than 2010. Okay, I gotta check the real question here, because when I'm copying and pasting the questions, it's gotta be a problem, you know. Oh, it's the 10% of the discount rate. Yeah, it's a 10% of the discount rate. It means this 10. Oh, there is a 10% discount on the price, or otherwise there is a 20% discount. Oh, I got it. I got what they wanna say. Then the create a subclass of car class and name it as Ford. Okay, so first of all, these ones have like, so every car has speed, every car has the regular price, every car has color. Okay, that's makes sense. So it's gotta be extending the car class. It should be a better way to, and this won't be. I think it's really interesting that if it asks me to import the class. It's really interesting. He shouldn't ask also, because these are in the. Oh, I forgot to put it. Oh, I understand now. Yeah, I forgot to put this wrong space. I gotta create a new package, which is exercise. Then this track should be in this exercise 21 refactor. Then this car should be there also, refactor. Then close this, open that thing, car, and track. Yeah. Okay, the sale price, it says, I checked the question, sale price will return the regular price. Okay, then this also will be the thing. Also, let me add the constructor and this, add these things, enter. Okay, cool. So it's, what is the problem? We gotta extend it, you know, the some super class. Let me just add constructor. Then this, there are some, you know, properties coming from the superclass called car. Okay, we gotta add. Oh, it's already do that for us, you know, like the automatic shortcut of the creating constructor. So public track has the speed, regular price, color, and the weight, and this is going to the super method. Super method initialize the variables here to the car class. Right now everything's good. So the thing is, let's make this thing. Okay, this actually I gotta check the if this dot weight greater than 2000, it will return the regular price. Actually, the super dot regular price. It is, yeah, there is a problem because I'm not taking this. Yeah, let's create a getter, all of them. Let's get these prices from there. Okay, we're gonna use the get regular price time multiply by 10%. Actually, we gotta use, yeah, like this, because this will give us the 10% of that regular price. Else or otherwise, 20% discount. Yeah, that's what it should be. So we done this too. Then the create subclass of car class and name it as Ford. New Java class Ford. Then it will extend car, of course. Obviously, the Ford class has the following fields and methods. Let's take those. There will be year. There will be manufacturer discount. There will be get sale price, and this get sale price will have this question. Then let's create the constructor of course it's already add, but let me check one more time. Do we need to add manufacturer discount? Yeah, of course. I don't need this. Yeah, so it sends the same things to the car class. Cool. Then let's implement these methods. If from the sale price computed from car class subtract the manufacturer discount. Okay, let's return a value, and this value will come from the super gets sale price from the car class. Then subtract this manufacturer discount. That's the question. That's the things that they wanted from us. So create a subclass of car class and name it as sedan. And of course it will extend the car. Then it will have 4 things: the length, the sale price also. Then let's copy this, put that thing in it. If length 20 feet, 5% discount. Otherwise 10% discount. Cool. If this dot length greater than 20, return. Actually, I'm gonna add the constructor here. Then in that case, I can take the get sale price from the superclass. So do I have a sale price in superclass? Yeah, here. Then put 95, or I mean 5% discount. Otherwise, let's put a 10% discount, right? We'll have 0.9. Take this to top. Cool. Create a mine own Autoshop class which contains the main methods. Perform the following within the main methods. Mine own Autoshop. And it will contain the public static void main. Then create an instance. Actually, I do this. Create an instance of sedan class. Let's create an instance of sedan car until new sedan. All fields with appropriate values. Use super method in the constructor for initializing the fields of super class. You already done that. Create 2 instances of Ford class. Okay, let me go back to sedan. Sedan has speed, regular price, color, and length. Okay, so the length will be, let's say, 15. Color will be a string which is red. The regular price will be, let's say, $145. Then the speed will be to 200. Okay, just going to 200 miles per hour. Okay, got it. So create 2 instances of Ford class, but the problem is I don't wanna use it like this. It's going to private. Then this all is going to be private also. Not gonna changeable. Not gonna make them changeable from outside. No, it's not going to be final. No, it's not gonna be final also. Yep, speed. They all are cool. So there's something missing. Car, Ford, sedan. There's no truck. Okay, truck's weight is going to be private also. And they are just warning. You know, they can be final, but they are not. They can be changeable. Create 2 instances of the Ford class and initialize all the fields with appropriate values. Okay, let's create 2 Ford 1, then new Ford. Okay, Ford has manufacturer discount. This will be int. Let's say 4. Year 2015. Color, let's make it red. Sorry, white. Let's make it white. Then the regular price will be, let's say, $100. It's a cheap car. Then the speed will be 150. Yeah, that makes sense. So let's create another one. For this will be 42. Then this one has 175. Then 110 will be black. 2016. this count is going to be 6. Okay, create an instance of car class and initialize all the fields with the appropriate values. Okay, let's create car, new car. Car class has 3 parts: speed, regular price, and color. Okay, color will be blue. The regular price will be 225, sorry. Then the speed will be 60. Display the sale prices of all instances. Go to the selling car, get sale price, and put it in a print line. Yeah, you know. Then put those things. Then Ford 1, Ford 2, the car. Let's go. Run. Okay, this will be the 130.5, the selling car. Let's check if it's correct. Okay, if the length is more than 20%, 20 feet, sorry, it's going to have the 5% discount. But if it's not, otherwise it's going to be 10% discount. 145. What is that numbers? 10% discount. Yeah, that's correct. So 96 is the second one. We'll have the manufacturer discount, but this discount is okay, this is a problem. Okay, I gotta use this discount but it says subtract the manufacturer discount, not like the percentage. If it's a percentage, we gotta use it like in here, you know, the selling cars, like we gotta use that like this. So it means I should, you know, put this like, you know, this super dot get sale price times manufacturer discount divide by 100. Yeah, this is how it should be, I think, in my opinion. Yeah, it says subtract, but it's not correct actually, because it's kind of look like the dollar, you know, like $100 minus $4, the discount of this manufacturer. It's not, I think it's not like this. So in the car class, okay, there's nothing I can do. Let's go back again. Yeah, right now it's correct. Yep, right now it's correct. It's $2,225. Cool. All set. Okay, guys, I hope you liked the video, and I hope you liked the easy object-oriented programming questions in my videos. And I tried to, in the first videos of the object-oriented programming questions, they were trying to warm us up, you know, about the programming, about the practicing everything. I'm trying to do everything in these exercises, you know, like there are maybe 35, maybe 40 question in these videos, so you can watch it on my channel. If you can subscribe me, that will be really good support for me. Also, if you like this video or it helps you a little bit, please don't forget to like the video, you know. If you have any question in your mind, just write it on the comments below, and I'll share the exercise link from online in the description below. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.